Very good morning, all of you. Today we have to study the chapter number 5th and what type of MCQs may be there. Okay, under this chapter also some MCQs are given. Those MCQs we are going to study here. First MCQ is given here: dividend payable on preference share. Dividend payable on preference share is dash dash. Alternatives are given: A. Fixed, B. Fluctuating, C. Static, and D. None. Dividend payable on preference shares is dash dash. The answer will be fixed. Okay. Dividend payable on preference shares is at fixed rate. Okay. Don't forget it all. That's why right alternative is there. What is it? Fixed. Then another question is there: term loan is source of dash dash term finance. Term loan is a source of dash dash term finance. What will be the answer? There are four alternatives: short term finance, long term finance, medium term, or medium and long term. Term loan is a source of medium and long term finance. This is the answer. This is the proper answer you will find there. Okay. Then another thing is also there. Another question is also there. What is it? Interest payable on debenture is dash dash. Interest payable on debentures is dash dash. Four alternatives are given: optional, compulsory, voluntary, none. What will be the correct alternative? Interest payable on debentures is it optional? No. Is it compulsory? Definitely. That's why second answer is correct. Second alternative is right alternative for this question. Then next question is there. What is it? Dash dash shareholders are called residual claimants of the company. Dash dash shareholders are called residual claimants of the company. What are the alternatives? Four alternatives are there: preference, bonus, equity, and right. Preference, bonus, equity, and right. What will be the correct answer? Equity. That will be the correct answer of this question. Then next alternative is there: an invitation to subscribe. Try to understand. An invitation to subscribe for the capital. Subscribe for the capital of the company is called dash dash. Notice? No. Statement? Not at all. Prospectus? Yes. That's why that is the right alternative for this question. Now, our next question is also there. Preference shares are substitutes for dash dash. Try to understand. Read the question carefully. Preference shares are substitutes for dash dash. Number 1, debentures. Number 2, equity shares. Number 3, loans. And number 4, none. What is the correct answer? Preference shares are substitute for not equity shares, not loan, or not none, but definitely those are substitute for debentures. Try to understand. Preference shares are substitutes for debentures. This will be the correct alternative. Then dash dash loans normally matures. Try to understand. Dash dash loans normally matures between 1 to 10 years. What type loan? What type of loans? Dash dash loans normally matures between 1 to 10 years. Answer will be term loan, simple loan, mortgage loan, or none. What will be the proper answer? Proper answer definitely you will find term loans. What type of loans? Term loans. That's why alternative A is the proper. In this way, these questions may be there. Among those also definitely you will solve there. Try to understand. But another questions may be there. This is only sample question. Try to understand. This is only sample question I am going to discuss with you. Now, chapter number 6 is also there. In that sixth chapter, what type of probable questions are there? And those questions are also definitely you will find under the chapter or at the end of this chapter. First MCQ is there. The primary stock market is termed as dash dash. What is it? The primary stock market is termed as dash dash. Alternatives are given here. First alternative is there, security market. Second alternative is given, stock exchange. Third alternative is given, new issue market. And last alternative is given, none. What is the correct answer? New issue market is the correct answer. It means that the primary stock market is termed as new issue market. Don't forget it all. Then second question is there, the additional shares offered to the existing shareholders. Try to understand. The additional shares offered to the existing shareholders are called dash dash. Alternatives are there. Number one, right shares, RIGHT. Try to understand. Right shares. Number two, equity shares. Next, preference shares. And last, stock. What is the answer? The additional shares offered to the existing shareholders. What type of shares can be offered additionally? The right answer is right shares. What is the correct answer? Right shares. That is the correct answer of this question. Then another thing is also there. Third question is there. The members of stock exchange are known as dash dash. The members of stock exchange are known as dash dash. The alternatives are given here. Number one, what is the first alternative? Members. Not at all. Brokers. It means that stock exchange members are known as broker. That's why, what is the answer? Broker is the right alternative. Then next question is there. What is it? An agency appointed to protect the interest of investors. An agency appointed to protect the interest of investors is called dash dash. Four alternatives are given. Number one, company. Number two, SEBI. Number three, bank. And the last, underwriter. What is it? Underwriter. It means that SEBI, this is the correct answer. That is the agency. An agency appointed to protect the interest of investor is called, what is it? SEBI. Okay. Then next question is there, an agreement by which the shares are held in electronic form. An agreement by which the shares are held in electronic form is known as dash dash. What is called for that agreement? Okay. Settlement? No. Contract? Not at all. Depository? Yes. That is the answer of this question. What is it? What is known as depository? Okay. Agreement is also wrong alternative. Try to understand. Okay. Then another chapter is also there in our syllabi. What is it? In that chapter also, what type of probable MCQs are there? Among those MCQs you have to study, and then new MCQs you can prepare as per your experience and knowledge. Okay. Now first MCQ is there under this chapter also, number 7. Chapter number 7, under this chapter, what type of MCQs are there? First MCQ is written there. What is it? ICICI is essentially a dash dash. Four alternatives are given: investment institution, financial institution, underwriting institution, and none. Now the answer will be investment institution, because in the name of this institution also you will find ICICI. Okay, in that ICICI investment word you will find. Okay. Then another question is there, working capital is surplus of the current assets over dash dash. Working capital, it means that you have to understand the meaning. You have to know the meaning. What is the meaning of working capital? Working capital is the surplus of the current assets over dash dash. Over the capital? No. Fixed assets? No. Current liability, because current liabilities, working capital related with current liabilities. That's why this is the correct answer of this alternative. Then third question is also there. The cost of trade credit. The cost of trade credit is the surplus of current assets over dash dash. The cost of trade credit is the surplus of current assets over high, no, low, no, none, no. What is the correct answer? Fluctuating, over fluctuating. Okay, it means that the cost of trade credit is the surplus of current assets over fluctuating. Okay, this is the answer. Then an arrangement by which bank allows customer an arrangement by which a bank allows customer to borrow up to certain limit is called what is pledge, overdraft, cash credit and none. This point you have already studied in 11th standard also. Okay, in organizational commerce, in commercial organization, this point you have already studied. What is it? That's why the answer will be there, cash credit. Okay, then another question is there, commercial paper was introduced in dash dash. In which year commercial paper was introduced? The answers are given here. 4 alternatives are given. First alternative is there 1990, second 2000, next 2005 and last 1980. But right alternative is 1990. Okay. Then another question is there, a company can accept deposits for minimum period of dash dash. A company can accept deposits for a minimum period of dash dash. 4 alternatives are given: 3 months, 12 months, 6 months, 26 months. What is the correct answer? A company can accept deposits for a minimum period of 1 year, 12 months. What is the correct answer? 12 months you have to understand. Then next chapter is also there. In chapter number 8, what are the probable MCQs? First probable MCQ is there, the officer who provides cash and liquidity. The officer who provides cash and liquidity is called dash dash. 4 alternatives are given for this question. General manager, no doubt at all. No, not at all. Finance manager, think about it, because this manager relates with cash. That's why what is the correct alternative? Finance manager, not a marketing manager or not a none. Okay, that's why this is the right answer. Then next question is there, marketable securities are called dash dash. Marketable securities are called dash dash. First alternative is there, near cash assets, and that is the right answer. Another remaining 3 alternatives are wrong. Okay, those are not correct alternatives. Then next question is there, the process of collecting and controlling payment. The process of collecting and controlling payment is called dash dash. The process of collecting and controlling payment is called dash dash. 4 alternatives are given. Cash management, no, that is wrong. The meaning of cash management is different. Then another, inventory management, that is also no. Another alternative is given, that is credit management. It means that this will be the correct answer of this question. Okay. Then another question is there, more credit sales are possible if the policy is dash dash. What is the statement? More credit sales are possible if the policy is dash dash. Answers, it means that options are given here. 4 options are given. First option is liberal, strengthen, economical and none. What will be the correct answer? Liberal is the correct option of this question. And the last option is there, last question is there, goods in process of the production are dash dash. Try to understand, goods in process of production are dash dash. First alternative is finished goods, second raw material, third work in progress and last none. In this way, these are the questions which are be asked in this chapter. Okay, under this chapter also such types of questions are mentioned, such type of questions are given. Okay, thank you very much.